Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find photos in Google Photos. First, you need to open Google Photos on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon in your top right corner. Inside your profile, you will find a menu. Look for and tap on Google Photos Settings. Now within the settings, you will see an option labeled Backup. Tap on it. Confirm that the toggle switch next to Backup is turned on. This ensures that all your photos are actively being saved to Google Photos. Moving on, open your device's web browser. In the browser search bar, type photos.google.com and press enter. On the web page, locate three horizontal lines in the top left corner and tap on them. Within this menu, find and tap on the profile icon. Now you will be prompted to choose an account. Select the Google account you prefer, and there you have it. Your photos are ready for you to explore. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.